Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channels. Today in this video I'll be sharing with you how to make this sweet potato and apple puree for 6 months plus. Guys, in here is your potato. You have to wash and cut it into pieces. Here is your apple. You wash it also, cut it into pieces, remove the back of the peel off the back of the apple, then you boil your potato. You have to make sure you boil it until it's so tender before you add in your apple, guys. Then you cook for a few minutes, remove it and put it inside your blender. Add in breast milk or you use baby formula to blend it, guys. Blend it so that it will look so soft and smoothie texture. Then your apple puree is ready. It's good for weight gain for our baby. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye.